Boom! Yo, what's up, YouTube? It's your boy Yvonne. Hey, today I want to cover that video about, Lil Wayne. Nah, I'm just fucking with you. Okay, so today we're going to discuss the controversy over T-Pain new video released on World Star Hip Hop with Zoe Dollars. It's called Feel Like a Haitian. A lot of people's criticizing him because he say feel like a Haitian. A lot of people saying T-Pain make up your mind, like it's either you're American or you're Haitian. That's not what he's saying. He's saying that he can relate. He have some friend that are Haitian that he can relate with the Haitian culture. Okay, T-Pain been had Haitian from way before he blew up. All right, so that's not his first time around some Haitians. Okay, so pretty much he's saying that feeling like a Haitian. Okay, it's like you hang out with us, right? The thing that we said, you said it. You can relate to our struggle, and when we're telling you our history, you can see why they're not gonna make any movie about the Haitian Revolution. So, feeling like a Haitian is feeling proud where you come from. It's a strong bond. If you're in Miami, you're gonna see there's a lot of Haitians out there. All right, and T-Pain has a lot of friends out there. So he's not saying that he don't want to be American. He's saying he feel like a Haitian. All right. So hanging out with some Haitians, just like I have some of my friends. Sometimes they say that when we out, they be like, "Yo, man, I feel like a Haitian," especially when we go to the Haitian parades. Because we bond like that. This thing that we saying they catch on, saying Sakpa say, things like that. And especially eating our food, some good griot, some good banan peze, so they can say they feel like a Haitian. And also is the friendship. Like, just like me, like I was on the Marine Corps. And one thing we stand for is no better friend, no worse enemy. So it's the same thing with being a Haitian. No better friend, no worse enemy. So that's what he's saying in his music. He feel like a Haitian. Okay? So he is American, but he feel like a Haitian. But if he had say he feel like a nigga, you guys wouldn't mind. Right? What if he had say I feel like an African. What is the song was like? I feel like African. Would you guys be mad? Nah, because I got a bad image about Haiti. That because you say you feel like a Haitian and some of you guys mad. It's a song. Come on. I feel like a king every day. Are you gonna judge me on that? Think about that. Do your research. Do your research on Haiti, the Haitian Revolution, and let me know what's up. Alright, this your boy Yvonne. Again, I feel like a Haitian. I am a Haitian. And I feel like a king every day. Strive to success. You're only holding yourself back. I'm out.